For TikTok or YouTube Shorts, use a high retention structure, the hook 0 to 3 south, stop the scroll with a bold claim. Example, I built a TikTok account to 10,000 followers in 30 days using 100% AI automation. Here's how. The problem 3 to 10s. Why manual posting is hard. Example, editing videos takes hours and most people quit before they even see a dime. The solution 10 to 40s, introduce the automation stack tools. The roadmap 40 to 55s lists the specific steps to reach 10K followers, niche, timing, SEO. The CTA 55s plus tell them what to do next. 2. The automation tools Stackdo show people how to automate. You should showcase these categories of tools, key strategies for the 1OK followers goal. Your video should provide actionable advice on how automation actually leads to followers. Highlight these 3 pillars. Niche selection. Automation works best in faceless niches like motivation, quiz, trivia, scary stories, or AI news. Quantity plus quality. Explain that automation allows you to post 2 to 3 times a day without burnout, which signals the algorithm to find your audience faster. TikTok SEO. Mention using 3 to 5 relevant keywords in the captions and using trending low-volume audio to stay under the radar of the spam filters. 4. Production tips for your video. Since you are talking about automation, your video should look high-tech and clean. Use screen recordings. Show yourself using the tools. It builds trust. Show the analytics. If you have an account that grew, show the followers graph hitting 10,000. This is the ultimate social proof. Fast cuts. Keep the visual pace fast. Use B-roll and pop-up text for every key point you mentioned. 5. Potential title ideas. How to automate your TikTok growth roadmap to 10K, the lazy way to 10K TikTok followers. In 2025, I used AI to post 60 times in 1 month. Here are the results. Pro tip, TikTok is currently cracking down on low-effort AI content. In your video, emphasize that human oversight is still needed to tweak scripts and ensure the videos don't look like spam.